In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart on Visme. Flowcharts are perfect for mapping processes, explaining decisions, and guiding your audience from start to finish. And Visme makes the whole process fast and polished. First, from your dashboard, click Create New Project and choose Flowchart or Infographic. Both options open a workspace with the tools you need. Flowchart gives you a streamlined set of connectors and shapes, while Infographic is great if you plan to combine the flow with extra visuals or data. Next, pick a template or start with a blank canvas. Templates give you a professional layout right away, and you can swap colors and text to fit your content. If you go blank, consider the overall size of your canvas and where your flow will begin and end, so you leave enough room for branches. Now add the building blocks. Use shapes, rectangles for steps, circles for start or end points, and diamonds for decisions. Keep similar shapes the same size for a clean, readable look. Place your first circle at the top to mark the starting point, then add rectangles for each action. Whenever a question or condition appears, drop in a diamond to represent that decision. Connect everything with arrows or lines to show direction. Drag connectors from one shape to the next, and make sure your arrows point the way the reader should follow. Try to avoid crossing lines. It helps to route connectors around shapes and use right angles so the path is easy to trace. If your process splits, run separate arrows from the decision diamond to the next steps. Add clear text to every shape so the meaning is obvious at a glance. Use short, active phrases like "review request" or "send approval." For decisions, phrase the text as a concise question, and if needed, place small labels such as yes or no near the outgoing arrows for clarity. Once the structure is set, customize the look. Adjust colors, fonts, and sizes to create contrast and hierarchy. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts and a simple palette so the flow stays readable. Visme's themes and color presets can speed this up, and alignment tools help you line up shapes evenly. When you're satisfied, click Download or Share. You can save a high-quality file for printing or sharing, or publish and share a link so others can view it online. And that's it. Your Visme flowchart is ready to explain your process clearly and beautifully.